See, whenever a patient sends any healthcare related query on WhatsApp, this AI-powered healthcare assistant instantly responds with safe, accurate and helpful information. And once I send the message about the appointment booking, immediately it starts guiding me and asking me about my consultation type. Let's say I want to book a consultation for general physicians, so I send it. Let's say I change my mind and ask one another problem to this AI assistant, that what should I do in case of low blood pressure? Then look at this, how smartly and intelligently it gives me reply by giving me the healthcare professional tips. Moving forward, I want to proceed my booking. That's why I sent a next message, please book my consultation on 20th of May at 2 p.m. And next it is asking me for my confirmation. And once I give it, I again received a response. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp AI assistant we are going to build today that handles patient queries safely and personally on WhatsApp. I built this amazing healthcare AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. It is an all-in-one automation platform that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 without any coding. With the help of this single tool, you can create different type of WhatsApp AI assistant based on your own business. And the best part, you can train them by using your own business data. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because you will understand everything step by step, and by the end of this tutorial you have a fully automated AI powered healthcare assistant for your business. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase this Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. With the help of this single tool, you can not just only create an AI assistant, but you can create WhatsApp chatbot, broadcast messages and many more. So without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this AI assistant. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps, where you just have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, as we are creating a WhatsApp AI assistant. So I am going in this AI assistant feature, and this AI assistant page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. Next, give your AI assistant a descriptive name. See, I give it as build an AI powered healthcare assistant to answer medical FAQs safely. After that, I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button, and see, our AI assistant is created successfully. Here at first, you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. You can select any one from it. I am selecting it as an AI agent. As soon as I have selected the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. See, instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow. You can customize these instructions if you want to. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. I have set in the temperature as 0.5. After that, select the model provider from here, that I am selecting as OpenAI. Next, select the GPT model, that I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. After that, it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. See, this is my OpenAI platform, and for generating this API key, you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. After the project, I am selecting as default project and the permission as all. After that, I am clicking on this create secret key button, and see, I got my API key, so I am copying it from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API token, you just have to click on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the multiple AI assistant settings. You can customize it based on your own business. If you want to add header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter it here. If you want to add footer, then you can enable this. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the keyword in this field. See, stop keywords work like this. For example, you have entered any keyword in this field and the user will send exact that keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I'm not giving any stop keywords too. After the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for better conversation. I have entered this fallback message, but you can customize it completely based on your business and company. Now the next one, that is knowledge source. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this video, we are going to design an AI assistant for healthcare. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is the knowledge base file for healthcare assistant. I have added all the information about my business inside it and some general users queries and many more. Also added the FAQs too. I have designed this by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business as it plays important role. So make sure to add each and everything related to your business inside your knowledge base file. After designing it, you just have to download the file in a PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and just drag and drop this file here. Next, click on this upload files, select the file from here and click on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file. After that, the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I'm entering the heading as AI Healthcare Assistant, and you can see as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too, as this is the final look of the assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, the subheading I am entering as get instant answers to common health and medical questions safely. And the initial message I have entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I had only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. Next, the footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. Now the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here. After that, I'm enabling this toggle and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can create an AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. After doing this setup, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. Now I am going to set the AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you just have to scroll down and you will see an option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here. On warm, you have to set your AI assistant. After that, select the AI assistant from this drop down and click on the save button, and see it says that inbox settings saved successfully. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant based on your own businesses too. The logic will be the same. You just have to create a fully detailed knowledge base file that consists all the data regarding your business and upload it in this step and create an AI assistant for your very own business. It gives instant replies to your users in real time like this 24/7 even while you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing AI assistant for your own business too. Last lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.